Happy day, my friend. Thanks for being here. So, if you work all day, let's do this now, right after work. Super simple practice just to gain some energy after your day. Maybe you've been sitting down all day, you've been working all day, doing stuff for all these other people. That's great. Beautiful life, right? So, we're going to take the time for ourselves here right now to come into our energy and to return beauty, joy, energy, vitality into our bodies so we can feel good. Okay, take your feet a little wider than the hips and then bend your knees here. Move your pelvis forward and back. Just kind of feel the movements in your body, your shoulders, your ribs. Kind of like, you see, moving around the ribs. And see if you can connect your breath. So, if you sit all day at your job, maybe your job is driving a lot. Maybe you're moving around a lot and you don't have nice posture all day. So, just start by moving your body in different ways, closing your eyes and kind of tuning out from the rest of the world and exploring the space that you're in. So, if you're comfortable with closing your eyes, do that. If not, challenge yourself and close your eyes for the moment and go in. So, I'm just moving in ways, different ways around my body. And you can see it's hot here, so I'm already sweating. So, don't be afraid to sweat. Breathe in and breathe out. Move your body. So if you're in a cold room, you might not be sweating, but you'll probably already feeling the heat. So just move the body, move the hips, move the knees, straighten the legs. Inhale, come up to the sky. Exhale, bend the knees and hands down. Inhale, come up to the sky, straighten the legs. Look up. Exhale. Come down, crunch. Inhale, come up to the sky. Exhale, crunch down. Feel the engagement in your core here. Inhale, touch the sky as high as you can. Exhale, pull it back down. Just take it easy. Inhale to the sky. Exhale, come low. Notice what comes up here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, reach to the sky, look up. Exhale, coming down. Take 3 more. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, coming down. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, coming down. Inhale, come up to the sky. Cross your thumbs here. Look up, breathe in. Exhale, forward fold. Engage your core, bend the knees. Inhale, come up to the sky. Exhale, reach over to the right. Take it slow, keep the core strong. Inhale to the sky. Looking up, press the feet down, lift as high as you can. Keep the core tight and strong. Exhale, reach to the left. Inhale, coming up to the sky. Look up, lift up, feet pressed down. Easy back bend without support here. Just see how far back you can go. Hips forward, heart lift, reach it back. Exhale to reach it back. Touch the sky. Breathe in. Exhale, forward fold. We'll keep doing that. Inhaling up to the sky. Exhale, reach to the right. Inhaling to the sky. Exhale, reach to the left. Inhale to the sky. Exhale, reaching back. Core is tight. Keep it tight. Inhale to the sky. And exhale, fold. And just embrace whatever sensations are arising. Any emotions that come through, we're going to keep the same thing going a bunch more rounds. Inhale to the sky. Exhale, reach to the right. The heart rate starts raising. That's good. Inhale to the sky. Exhale to the left. Inhale to the sky. Back bend, exhale. Core strong. Press the feet down. Inhale to the sky. And exhale. So some things are going to come up. You will feel resistance in the body. Inhale, touch the sky. But it's okay. Just relax your face. Exhale, reach to the right. Inhale to the sky. Notice and observe what comes through. And exhale. And that's exactly the work that we have here. Inhale, touch the sky. Exhale, reach it back. Take 3 more rounds. Continue. Breathing in, touching up. Exhale, forward fold. Just feel the energy rising in the body. By now, you're probably sweating. Inhale to the sky. Exhale to the right. Inhale to the sky. Exhale to the left. Inhale to the sky. Exhale to back bend, core strong. Inhale to the sky. Exhale, find the earth. Switch the grip of the thumbs here. Inhale upwards, all the way up. Breathe in. Reach to the right, exhale. Oh yeah, take it wherever it needs to go. Inhale. After a few rounds, your body will open up and maybe you can go a little deeper. Inhale to the sky. Look up, back bend. Just super simple movements. Inhale, sky. Exhale, earth. Inhale, sky. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Exhale, left. Inhale, up. Exhale, back bend. 1 more round. Keep it going. Breath in to the sky. Forward fold, exhale. Inhale up to the sky. Reach to the right, exhale. Inhale up to the sky. Reach to the left, exhale. Inhale to the sky. Back bend, exhale. Inhale to the sky. And release your hands down by your sides. Facing to the front of your mat area. If you don't have a mat, doesn't really matter. Just take a nice forward fold. Bend your knees a bunch. You can rest your hands here on your legs. And breathe in. Try to make some more space. See how different you feel now compared to a few minutes ago when we just started. Shimmy the shoulders back and forth. Shrug the shoulders up. Take some circles. Breathing in, circle them backwards. Breathing out, circle them forwards. A nice slow breath here. Just moving the body, warming up the body, waking up. And this can be done at any time of day. It doesn't have to be after work, before work. You can literally do this during work. If you have a pause, why not, right? Breathe in. Start to drop your shoulders side to side. Feel that space through the back ribs, side ribs. In a moment, we're going to move into our downward dog. That one is super restorative. Okay. Now, bring your hands down to the earth. Start with the fingertips touching down so you can feel that strength in your hands. Breathe in. And breathe out. Okay. Now the hands can place down and walk your feet back so that you make a volcano shape. Take a nice breath in. Look forward, but the hips stay up. Look forward, use the eyes to look past the brain. Exhale, drop your head and neck down. Crunch the core. Hips stay up, so keep pressing the hips up the whole time here. We're going to take 4 more rounds like this. Inhale, look forward, look up. Hips keep pressing into the hands and the feet, hips go high. Exhale, tuck the chin, crunch the core. Press the fingertips down. Inhale, look forward and up. Hips stay high. Exhale, crunch the core. 3 more. Inhale, look forward and up. Hips stay high. Eyes look to the brain. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale, hips stay high. Press the hips up. Look forward. Eyes look at your brain. Look inside your skull. Exhale. crunch the core, tuck the chin, press the hands and feet down. Keep pressing the hands and feet down. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. So take your feet a little wider here. Walk your hands back in a little bit. This is a modification, so walk your right hand to the left foot and then come up on the fingertips on the left hand and sneak your head underneath your arm here. Take a nice little twist. So you can bend the right knee. Breathe in. Exhale, nice easy twist. Easy, easy, easy. 2 more. Breathe in. Just breathe. Just focus on the breath. Nothing else exists. Exhale. No to-do list. No task list. Breath in. Breath out. Sneak your head underneath a little bit more. Put the effort in here. The last exhale, squeeze it out. And release to that wide dog here. Breathe in. Come onto the right fingertips. Inhale. And the left hand reaches to the right foot area, wherever you can, and sneak that head underneath your right arm. Take 3 breaths. Inhale. Bend the left knee. Exhale. Pull the twist. 2 more. Breath in. Exhale. Sneak it under. 1 more. Breathe in. And put the effort in here. Exhale. Effort. Relax your face. Pull, squeeze, press, and release. Come down onto your knees here. Reach the right foot out in front. So this is going to feel a little bit weird on our eyeballs, but it's really good for our spine. So our eyes are connected to the spine, right? They're directly connected. So we're going to use the eyes to help stretch our whole body, and we'll have more vision, more clarity. Okay, so the left hand will come down, and the right hand can just come to the right knee, or it can come up to the sky. So here's where it's going to feel a little strange. Look up and look all the way to the right. Look all the way to the right. See if you can look at your right ear. Take 3 breaths. Inhale. And look to the right, further, further, further. Reach through the fingertips up top. 2 more. Breath in. Reach your fingers over more, and maybe your hand's still here. Doesn't matter. Just twist your neck and look to the right as far as you can. Last one. Breath. Inhale. Use your eyes. Look all the way to the right. Let it feel a little weird, a little awkward. Train yourself. Relax your mind. And slowly release. Breathe in. Return back to knees together. Left foot steps forward, left hand to the left knee. Now you can stay here the whole time, all good. If you want, you can left hand reach up to the sky. So the eyes go all the way left. Inhale, 3. Exhale, look up, look to the left, look at your left ear. Try to actually see the left ear. 2, breath in. Look over, reach it over. Reach your hand over, it's up, maybe. Inhale. 1 more, look and reach, look, let it feel weird, let the eyes stretch. And release, slow, breath in. Returning back to the tabletop. Drop your belly down, pull the chest forward, hips come up behind you, look up, look at the brain, look inside your skull. So if someone were to look at you, your eyes would be all the way up. And then exhale, crunch the core, tuck the chin, and look down. Stretch the eyes, look to your nose and beyond, find your teeth. Inhale, looking forward, looking up, belly comes down. Feel the stretch through the belly, front ribs, and the throat, eyes looking up. Exhale, crunch the core, tuck the chin, look down at your teeth. Inhale, looking forward and up. Look at the brain. Belly drops. Open the front chest, the ribs. Exhale, crunch the core. Open through the backside. Look down at your teeth, at your heart. Take 2 more like that. Inhale, look forward and up.
Exhale, crunch the core, look down, look in. Final one like this. Breathe in. Look up. Exhale. Alright, press back up, find downward dog. Come to the middle of your mat. Stay here in forward fold for a few rounds of breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bend the knees one at a time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax your neck. Shake it out. Shake the neck around. Keep bending the knees. Breathe in. Let your head dangle here. You're slowly starting to find some stillness.
Slowly coming up to a standing position. And back to where we started. Breathe in, hands back to your heart. Exhale. Thank yourself for taking the time to make space in your body. Come back to this video time and time again. It's a great way to just take a pause in your day and breathe and move intentionally with love and with gratitude. Appreciate you. Peace.